Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Blender, the powerful 3D modeling and animation tool. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. Open a web browser and search for Blender. Make sure you visit the official website blender.org. On the website, click on the download button at the top. You can read more about the Blender if you'd like, but for now, click on download to get the latest version. Once the download finishes, open File Explorer and navigate to your downloads. Locate the Blender file, double-click the file to start the installation. This is safe as long as you downloaded Blender from the official site. Click Next and agree to the terms and conditions. You can change the install location if you'd like, but the default is fine. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish and you will see the Blender on your desktop. Double-click on it to launch the app. Save your preferences and start exploring the world of 3D modeling and animation. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.